Actually, you know what? Let me figure out Vyan. I literally have it. So let me just figure it out, alright? Alright, we're gonna be doing like a small... It's gonna be a me trying to figure out how to set up Vyan because my thing sucks. Alright, so I'm gonna create a folder, Vyan. Let's drop everything there. So this is gonna be me figuring out and setting up Vyan, the guide, by somebody that doesn't know anything about Vyan. So we're gonna see how easy it is to actually set it up. All right. So first things first, launch Vyan. Okay. So it says, let's get you started using this app. First step is to choose your avatar. Vyan is capable of loading VRM, VR1, as well as VC face format. Okay. So drag Katsuki, VC face. Avatar every time. Okay. Tracking. Vyan supports multitude of tracking technologies. Let's configure what works best for you. Click below what applications use. Okay, I need VR. No, I don't have that. I need hand. No, I have. I guess like I do this Face ID capable iPhone, and can we just like feed it the iFacial mocap data? Maybe we can. Let's see if like it works like that, like what I think it does. Okay. Oh, why is this like so small? Is this for ants? Based on your selection, these are their recommendations. Face tracking, system ARKit capable phone, and I use it for the most. Vyan supports iFacial and VTube Studio for iPhone and Meow Face for Android. These can be changed anytime in the tracking settings. iFacial mocap and IP address should be at the very bottom. Okay, so ARKit, perfect sync. This is the one, right? Yeah, software IP address. Yeah. This is just local, by the way, it doesn't matter. Vyan is capable of mapping your facial expressions into expression. I don't need this yet, so I'm gonna just turn it off. Not in use. Okay. Your avatar seems to contain a non-tracked blend shape clips. Oh, there we go. Extra. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. Streaming platform. Twitch. Item thrower. Holy! Vyan will throw items such as apples, rubber ducks, and nuts. You can use Vyan SDK to create your own throwable items. Select below the interaction that triggers item throwing. You can modify this in a node graph editor later. Ooh, very cool. Followers, subscription, beats, raid, hype train, channel point redeem, redeem name to react. Oh, like I guess like it's gonna choose a redeem name. What do I do it to? So it's like not annoying to. Sure. Let's do it to save for now. Okay. I can probably change it later on, but it's alright. Expensive one? No, it's fine. Confetti. Yeah, let's do confetti to raid. That's it. And channel point redeem. Again, we can change this later, so I can just do like we can do it to push-ups. Right. Water too, dude. What the heck? Channel point redeem. Hydrate. Oh, that's funny. Oh, it's doing here. Look at this. It's doing the thing here as well. You see, it's like moving. It has to be iFacial mocap. I think it's iFacial mocap. I don't know why it does that. But every time I move my head left or right, it makes the model like move. But I'm not sure why. Could it be this thing? No, it's not. Okay, so it's like one of these things basically that's causing that. Oh, maybe it's this thing? No. Neck, left eye, maybe head. I mean, I bet if I just restart my computer, it's probably not gonna do that anymore. Alright, let me turn on VC face for now, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure. It has to do with like neck though, but I guess. Ah, my neck. Fucking turning my neck around. I actually hurt my neck in the process. Yeah, I'm not sure. Ah, whatever. Yeah, I'm not sure. Alright, it's fine. Okay, that's that, right? What about this thing? VTuber, Vyan. Is that background? No, it's not. Okay. How can I save this? Default camera, camera rotate, camera zoom, camera tilt. How can I save that preset? Oh god. Oh boy. Menu settings. Okay, first of all, can I make the menu like slightly bigger? Please? Maybe something inside NVIDIA broadcast. I already like checked stuff, but it seems like it's fine for now. I bet like if I just restart my PC, it's gonna be fine. Okay, wait. Can I make... Oh my... Chatterbait. Miss. Can I make the settings itself bigger? I really need to do that. Camera slot. Camera 1. Oh. Window size. Oh, UI scale. There we go. There we go. Now we can see. Oh, it looks bad on the other screen though. Okay, that's fine, honestly. For now. Yeah, I really hate that pink, so I'm gonna do gray. Okay, everything is fine here. Tracking layer. This is a VC face stuff. Not sure what this is. Use expressive body tilt. Okay, that's not it. Oh, there's a body tilt thing. Okay, I see. That's not bad. So like, I can tilt her head as like, I like that. I'll keep it like that. What is a lift modifier? Web camera tracking. Do not use, okay? This is not used anyways, right? It's not used. Facial mode tracking. Okay. Mirror tracking. Turn ARKit tracking to simple blend shapes. Plant feed. Locomotion. Yeah, let her move at least like a little bit. Otherwise, it's like weird. Movement range. Jesus. Okay, let's not let her move too much. Rotation range, head tilt. Head tilt. One at best. Okay, that's like my actual head. God damn it, dude. I can actually do this now. Holy shit. VCFace didn't do this. If I can like reduce the smoothing, it would be better, I think. Can I? Let me see if I can. Settings for smoothing. No, it's not doing it. I think I need to... Okay, I like that. I like that I can node. But I have to like reduce the smoothing in VC face. Okay. Yeah, I think I actually like Vyan, to be honest, because it also means that like if I just the fact that it takes VC face file format is good. I still don't like that like my everything is spastic because my character is moving back and forth, and I don't know what the fuck to do with that. But oh, my eye range is very low. Can I increase the eye range? Oh my god, dude. Okay, this is annoying. Let's see. Maybe there is an eye range. Pelvis stiffness. Okay, that's actually kind of funny that like the whole body just... Let's do like maintain hip position. Oh no. There you can adjust eye range. Eye range. Where is eye range? Use eye bones? Wait. It's not moving enough, right? Gaze strength. movement range, rotation, head tilt, node, altitude. What the heck is altitude? The biggest problem right now is the character is like moving back and forth, and I really don't like that. Track, head, neck, spine. Oh, this is a VMC receiver. No, VMC is like different shit. We don't need this. We don't need this. I mean, that's it basically. And then there's LeapMotion. Blend shape adjustment. Oh, you can like even adjust the curve. That's interesting. Okay. She's like shaky a lot. I really don't like that her whole body is just so shaky right now. That's partially because of me. I think the gaze strength for eyes could be wrong. Okay, I'll check. Gaze strength. Gaze strength. If I do it on 0, okay, I'm gonna start looking. No, it doesn't affect it. Alright, that's not a big deal, honestly. Alright, do the settings just save on their own, I guess? Do you have ARKit tracking? Yes. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get rid of eye facial mocap for now. Because it's like making the character jittery, and I'm just gonna use a webcam for now. Not in use for now. Wait, this can be... Oh wait, I can still use this. I can use this for facial stuff. Let me see. Connect. Okay, so for face I can use this. Starting this may take some time. It's not gonna use it because it's already being used by something else. Okay, so what if I do this one instead? Need another bottle. I'm just gonna use this because oh, why is she like sitting? But it's like I'm locked to my left side. It's like webcam tracking is shit, right? Alright, it's fine though. At least I can I guess it's the locomotion just makes everything worse. Yeah, I see locomotion just makes everything weird. A tilt, altitude. Don't like locomotion, yeah, it's like weird. There was something with rotation. Like, what the hell is this still, dude? I don't understand. Why is it going like so much? Oh, that's the movement range. Gotta like put it to the minimum. I'll even say like probably 0.5 or 0.05. Dude, why is she moving so much? That's crazy. I mean, that has to be because of like the camera tracking, right? I think that should be fine. Alright. Okay, so for now I have webcam, but I can just like turn it off. And it's gonna be all VC face, but VC face does this weird shit to me. So I am gonna use webcam for just movement for now. Although it's like kind of shit as well. But that's on my end, by the way. This is not software's fault. This is not Vyan's fault necessarily. I don't know why, but when I got on today, my iFacial mocap, this app right here, decided that every time I move my head left and right, the character has to go forward and backward, so it's weird. So yeah, we're just dealing with this right now. Okay, this is fine. So as far as like the tracking stuff goes, that's fine. Oh yeah, there's expressive body tilt. Oh, it's this thing. So let's not put it too much. Let me just like minus like 15 for now. I like that the body is rotating a little bit, but and then lift multiplier, just the character, or do we want it to go up and down? Okay, let's be like that. All right. What do you have in graphics? Okay, so it's like default window size. That's fine by me. UI scale, Okay, don't know what these are. Audio. Oh yeah, what I want to do is lip sync based on audio. There we go. Oh, okay. Now she's like yapping again. So gotta turn this on as well, because for me in particular, since I have beard, my face tracking is not good because beard is covering my mouth, and because of that I need actual like lip sync basically, so audio based face stuff. Wow. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna do like smoothing at like 75 as well, so it's not as spastic. Should be fine. What if I do gain? Oh, if I do gain higher here, it's gonna be able to capture my voice better. So the better higher I do, the better it is. So that's important, I guess. Yeah, that's good. Because if I do it at low, it's still fine, I guess. But I can notice how, like, when I'm speaking specifically, her mouth is better when I do this. It's almost like slightly better. Yeah, I'll do that. That's fine. Okay, let's check out. Okay, we don't need any of this stuff. Bonk volume. Oh yeah, let's let me log in on through Twitch, so like it picks up the stuff from the chat. You can close this. Okay, we're connected by the way. Can you redeem something like water or whatever? Hydrate. Redeem hydrate. I mean, Twitch is connected. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we'll see how it works. Twitch. Drop Twitch emotes. Create, redeem. Oh, you can do redeem. I'm not sure what that does. Oh, I can create redeems for Twitch, and it's gonna do something on the character base. That's very cool. So I can like have a thing where I create a redeem, for example, new redeem. You could be like top hat, channel point, like 100 just for testing. Use cooldown 5 minutes. But what, like, how do I make it? How do I? Wait. I don't understand. Like, even if I do this, and then what does this do? How do I make it do something? I mean, it's just a redeem, but then what? Yeah, it added top hat, but like, what does it do? Redeem enabled. Redeem title, top hat, channel point, user input, input prompt text. I'm not sure. Okay, don't click this for now. We're just testing. I'm gonna save it. Alright, nothing on YouTube. Chatterbait. Love sense. I can put up like a vibrator up my ass, I guess. Alright, wait. System settings, asset settings. Oh yeah, save stuff from here. Load position. Okay, good. Can I have like a it's a camera slot, sure, but can I have a key bind for this somehow? I wonder. Select camera with which one you want, and then view different positions. After this, click the set position button to store the camera. Position can be swapped with the camera node in node graph. There's a node graph somewhere. Okay, we're done here. Node graph. Channel point. Oh, you can create like a node graph shit with this. Interesting. Throw item. Oh, okay. So, redeem name. So, let's say, like, we don't need this, right? Wait, how do I delete this? Oh, just delete it. So, I can do a thing where, let's say, redeem name, top hat, right? On read channel point. Action node, throw item, bubble, food, drop item, confetti, bong, head pad. Is that a Load avatar, load world, set pose, clear pose, play animation. Snake dance. Set animation, stop animation, play MMD, camera. You can do so much shit with this. Oh, I saw something. I saw emotes. Love sense. Is there like a play character animation? Because this is just animation. Sit on chair, sit cross-legged. Clap. T-pose dance, snake dance, twerk dance, T-pose, touch grass. Touch grass. Okay. Callback node, action mode, gateway node, filter blend shape. Interesting. Throw item. Let me see if I can like do something where like it's play character specific animation. Dictionaries. Text array. Text parameter. Number array. This is something weird. Ambient light, direct light, old VHS, negative image, color grading, lens, pixel, rainbow, vignette, motion, depth, chromatic, bloom, grain, binary, analog. This is just effect. Throw item, bubble. What is bubble? Bubble shooter. Food. Drop item, confetti, bonk. Head pat. Can we just do head pat? Head pat. Ah! Where's my shit? Oh, toggle. Channel point. Oh, I can just like keep on adding names. How do I change the... Oh, you gotta press rename. There we go, head pat. So it does head pat, but I need to... Do I need to like specifically add it in settings now? Here. So create redeem. Head pat. Do like 500, for example. Cooldown a minute. Oh, we don't need a cooldown, I guess. Oh, cooldown seconds. Minimum 60? I'll do 20. Let me do it myself. Head pat. Not doing anything. We got tricked. Wait, that's not it though. Alright, delete redeem. Okay, so if I create this, wait, let's... Okay. Channel point, trigger on Twitch channel point redeem. Make sure first create redeem in Twitch channel page. Case sensitive. Okay, build parameters, message. Redeem message converted to number. User contains user Twitch display name. Contains text passed on redeem. Okay, so I did it right. So if I need to create this, head pat 500, but it's just not doing anything, right? I don't need cooldown for this. Save. Does a simple head pat animation. For custom head pat effects, it's recommended to use a prop system. Where's the head pat animation though? Save. Huh? Huh? It's not doing it. Alright, let's check other stuff. Just load avatar. Load world. What the heck is this? Okay. I still want to do the redeem thing, but I just can't figure out how to do that. Let me think. It's just props. Okay, so it's just monitoring various. Oh, maybe like it's gonna tell me here what the hell is happening with me looking left and right. What is being activated? This is just mouse parameter. Okay. Yeah, this is not gonna tell me why the character is moving though. I'm not sure actually. So weird though. Oh, why is this so hard to... Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh. Yeah, you see that emotes are dropping, so like clearly it's connected. Ah, we don't care about this stuff for now. Bloom. Let's reduce bloom a little bit. I do like bloom though. I always like bloom. Alright, good bloom. Okay, this almost doesn't affect anything. This doesn't matter. It only matters from like 0 to 1 basically, so that's about it. Alright, this doesn't affect anything as well because my character is not set up in a particular way. I want to see a little bit with node graphs. Let me like check this one out real quick. Like for example, let's do like throw stuff, water, right? Let's do a channel point, and it's gonna activate on hydrate. There's hydrate. And we're gonna do this, and action is gonna be. Wasn't there like a water thing? Wait, there was like blend shape tracking. Throw item, I guess. Oh, what is bubble? Bubble shooter. Fires 2D image from camera towards avatar. Images that can be thrown. Amount to throw. Lynch power. Okay, I see. What is drop item? Drops item on avatar. Okay, so it's like it drops from the top. Confetti, bonk, head pad. I still don't understand why head pad is not working. Alright, let's set up like something else and we'll see if it works, right? Here, we can do like a boba that can be thrown. Sure. Amount of items throw. Amount of items. Let's do like 5. Destroy after a second. 2 seconds. Okay, maybe not 2. Maybe like 4 seconds. Lynch power. Sure. Volume multiplier. What is volume multiplier? Used with collision node to filter item collision by tag. Scale multiplier. So how big they are. Throw direction. Throw target. Head. Force. We can replace with graph your loading. Oh, this is like just brings in something else. Okay. So is this it then? Like, should this just work? It is active. This one is active. This one is active. Okay. Let me try doing hydrate again. Oh, it has a cooldown. Very cool. Okay, then I'm gonna create a new one. I'm gonna call it throw boba. And then we're gonna go into settings and create throw boba for 200. Save redeem. Okay, it should appear in the settings, right? It's not working, right? Can we confirm that it's not working? We didn't see any boba shooting, right? Is there like something that I have to like click on to be like, oh, save this? I still don't like one thing. I wish you could Oh yeah, like position of the camera. Like it would be cool if you could keybind this, but it's not here. I guess. Save settings and graphs. There. He still moves weird. I don't know what to do with that. Alright, I think we're good. Let me put this on the corner. Oh, clearly the gain was not a very good idea. He's still like spazzing out, but... Oh! What the... Did you see that? Where the f did that come from? I saw that. How do you manage that? That was loud. I'll do master volume low, so I should be fine. But where are options for that? Is it in props? No, it's not. You see, that's the only thing that I do not like about this. It's like, it's almost like there's extra settings that are missing. You know what? Let's do this. It's saved, right? Let me restart Vyan altogether. And let's see what we're gonna get. So, I really don't like this, first of all. Yeah, I don't like that. It starts small for some reason. And I can't save this one too. Window size. It saved everything else except that. So there's a new version. Oh, now it actually opens up properly. Very nice. Okay. Hot plushy petition. Okay, things are way better now. Okay. So I just had old version. My bad. Settings. Webcam. No, not webcam. Themes, colliders, backup. Okay, so it should be working now. Like, things should be working now. Let me check if... So this is tracking. Tracking effects. Oh yeah, so it saved all my settings. I got rid of my redeems here, but that's fine. And this for camera. VR chat. Alright, login Twitch. Okay, it's fine now. Let's try do graph again. Okay, so I did save like some of my stuff. Okay. Oh, now it's actually here. Yeah, let me try doing it. Oh. I saw that. Oh, what the f is that, dude? That was so... Okay, so we fixed everything. Just needed a newer version. Okay. Who would have guessed? Okay, everything else is like scaled up way too big, so... Can you throw stuff? Okay, I'm gonna throw stuff. Still big. Everything is just huge. Basically barely see it. Make them slightly slow, I guess. Did it not work? Is it not working? Oh, not working anymore again. Oh, maybe it's because of scale? No? Or is it farting? I don't understand how, like, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, whatever. Oh, maybe it's time between throws. Oh, maybe it was time between throws as in, like, it's very odd. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's, like, weird. Oh, something got thrown. I feel like the problem is also, like, I'm not sure. Alright, whatever. Let's not get stuck on this shit. It's okay. There's just so much stuff. Okay, let me try to do, like, something like, let's say, like, subscription, right? Let me do a new graph. For example, subscription, right? And on subscription, it's gonna do... So these are all callbacks. Callbacks. Action node. Bonk. See if this actually works. Whenever there's gonna be a sub. Another one. Like a test again. Water. Oh. Wait, how long is this gonna work? Uh-oh. Wait, how long is that gonna be going? Hello? Can I make it white? Wait a second. How? Is it like maybe animation speed? Or time or something like that? You just keep going. Set animation speed, set clip, set focal length. There's a start timer, but it's just a timer. Toggle water effect on or off. The actual water the toggle, water color, opacity. Yeah, but can I do like a timer on it? Is there a timer? Track layer, effect status, stop music, stop set speed. Well, if I press it again, it's gonna stop, most likely, but... Oh no, it's 20. He has an hour. Oh no. Wait a second. Gateway nodes, switches, cooldown, for loop, measure weight. So, search. Okay, let me check. Timer. So I guess when a timer set by the start timer node is up. Timer. No. Action trigger. No, these are different. It's like it needs to send a signal and then send another one after some time, basically, because this is on and off. So it's like, is it like a switch? What's a cycle switch? What are you pinging it? I don't want to, dude. It just keep going. Look, it's just not stopping.
Is it supposed to?
Of course not.
On you.
Yeah, it's
the charge.
well, it's supposed to be like hydrate, so it's like, you see, it's targeting her head. But the problem is the way it works. Basically, like when you redeem it, it just turns this switch on and that's it. But it doesn't switch it off. So it needs a off switch somehow. And I'm not sure how to like do that, specifically on off switch. I mean, I'll get rid of it altogether, but Jesus. No. Timer? It's probably like a switch, but passes the signal to a random output socket. No. It doesn't say what this is. That's the shit. Alright, this is annoying. Alright, let's get rid of this for now. I just have to delete. Okay, we don't need this. Save. Reload is not working. How can I reload? I guess like we're gonna restart. Otherwise the water's gonna keep pouring at me. Yeah, like I like so far this stuff. The only thing that I do not like, I like that there's like a lot of options to do things. The only thing that I don't like is that like camera needs a bind, like for sure. Like not having camera bind is just so bad. Set position button to store the current stored camera position can be swapped with the camera node in a node graph. Stored camera positions can be swapped with camera node. Node graphs. Oh, there's already this stuff, by the way. So there's like, oh, you can have like multiple stuff here. Okay, I got it. So like I was saying, like where are all the subscriptions and stuff like that stored? It's here. You see right here? So on follow, it's doing this throw item thing. It automatically created it, right? And then on subscription, it's doing this thing. And then on bits, it's doing this thing. Channel point, it's doing this thing. Rate is that. Channel point on hydrate, start water. When to trigger, next frame, start water twitch. Water, start timer. Oh, okay, and then it does like a bunch of stuff here, basically. Oh, okay, so this is all for water. Well, this and that. So, channel point does this, cold trigger. And then the trigger, it basically does water, twitch. And then it does like the stuff where it's a start timer, end timer. Okay, so there's already this, basically. That should be working. And it's on hydrate. It calls on trigger and does this stuff. Okay. So there's that. So this should already be working. But is it working? Let me check. So if I just do hydrate. Oh, okay, it says time. Let's do hydrate. Let me edit it so it's like... Yeah, so water goes on and it's done. Okay, so it works. So I already had this basically here and it does work. So I don't need this one either because there is already stuff here. Oh, and then application start and it does this stuff. I guess I can do like a thing where on application start, it also does a camera number 1. So when it flaps camera to saved camera position can be set in general settings, camera to activate. Okay, so yeah, it does exactly what I thought it would do. So you have to do a lot of stuff through nodes, basically. That's the only thing with this, which is not too hard to understand. So basically, for example, if I already had like a camera set up here. Oh, I know what I can do with this. Okay, so look what it does. This is very interesting, actually. So my settings, right? So camera is 1, basically, right? But I can do like camera 2, which is gonna be like this, right? And I can save this. And then what I can do is I need a hotkey. So I can go in, yeah, it's fine. Can be here. Hotkey. So I can do hotkey where it's Shift F1. It's also this camera. But I can do another hotkey, Shift F2, and then I can duplicate this camera, and it's gonna be camera number 2. Okay, so right now the way it should work, if I press, yep, okay, oh my, okay, this is pretty good. So basically, Vyan lets you do a lot more customability, and it's a lot simpler to understand in terms of nodes. So everything is node based, which is like, it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. It's a bad thing because if you're like casual at this, and you're not really, didn't really do a lot of research, I guess, on this, you'll have to actually learn this and figure it out. So stuff like this is kind of cool because basically I can do whatever I want, however I want. And I have to like do this manually. That's the only problem. So if I want to have a hotkey for a camera, I have to create that setting basically myself. So right here, not on application start, not only it's gonna go straight up to this camera, I also have a hotkey for that camera, and then I have a hotkey for another camera, and I can just do that. So all this stuff works. So what I can do also is funny. Oh. So for example, if I need a Shift F5, right? So it calls for a, oh, so it's blend shape extra 5 value, smooth seconds. Okay, I see. So what I can also do here is I can do channel point, and I can do a top hat, right? So it's gonna be also, it's also gonna be a channel point. I can do, but wait. The thing is, it's gonna be for some time. So if I want it to be for some time, then I have to set up something like this, where hydrate does a trigger, and then trigger makes this thing basically. It turns on and off the thing that I wanted to turn it off and on. So if this is equals, this is water twitch on, value is 0. Oh, that's very interesting. I want to do this real quick just so I can see like if it's possible or not. All right. So we need channel point, and it's calling a trigger, right? Call trigger. So top head is gonna call a trigger named top head on, right? And then we need actual trigger, which is gonna be top hat on. This goes here, and then it's gonna be parameter filter, filter. Okay, so what is here though? Start. Oh wait. Start hydrate. Oh, okay, let's do this then. Yeah, it's fine. Let's do start top hat. So start top hat is gonna go here. So this is gonna turn on top hat on. 0. And then I need set parameter set start timer, and it starts timer for water twitch. So it's gonna be top hat timer. Let's say it's like 1000 is 1 second, right? So let's do, if I want this for a minute, it's gonna be 1000 times 60,000. Okay. And it's gonna be F5, right? It was F5, the top hat. I'll just duplicate this, honestly, it's the same shit, but... So it's gonna start this. And then... a timer. Top hat timer. Another set parameter. It's something like this. Oh, why is this green? What's the difference? It's the same thing, right? Yeah, it's the same thing. Oh, you can set color. Okay. So, by my logic, this should do what I think it should do, right? So we have a top hat channel point, and now I create a channel point called top hat channel. It was in settings, right? Tracking? No. Connections. Switch, create, redeem. What is top hat for 500? Cooldown 1. Cooldown seconds 60. Save. Okay. Let's see this top hat. Oh, it does it. So this hat should be on for a minute now. Okay, that's very cool. So the fact that you can interact with the character through channel points, that's pretty cool. This opens up like so much, basically. You can do so much with this. This is pretty cool. Like I'm looking at this through a, like, if I'm a streamer, like if I'm doing VTubing specifically, and I want people to like just kind of do a lot of stuff with my 3D model, like that's pretty cool. The only thing that I don't understand, I don't like so far, is like the throwing stuff, basically. Like, I just want to throw stuff, like throw balls, like a lot of balls, right? This is milliseconds, right? Look at this, do 300. So it's like 3 of them per second. Maybe like that's the problem, like it's just throwing them like way too fast. Scale, let's do small scale. Head, force, like 3. Okay, so this is throw boba, right? Now we have to create. I have throw boba. So this should automatically work, right? Throw boba. Okay, for some reason it's throwing at the bottom of her feet, which is weird. Also, like, what's up with fucking fart noises? Volume, no volume, I guess. Yeah, I don't understand why it's throwing it at her feet. Increase force. Oh. How can you add custom items though? Throw items at avatar. But how can you add custom items? Just drop and throw. Okay. Well, I guess you can like just put them in the directory somehow. I think there was like an option for that. Maybe it's in props. No. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. So you can do it in Unity with custom sound and everything. Box collider, rigid body, throwable object, and then you basically just export it into throwables. Okay, I see. I still don't understand why it's not being thrown at specifically her head, but yeah, not sure. Interesting. It's still throwing booba, but it's also throwing ducks. I'm not sure where it's throwing boba from. Oh, because I have it here. Okay. Let me get rid of this one. Okay, now we have ducks. So we can just do this. Okay. Because I had it somewhere else as well. Okay, so that works just fine. Okay, that's cool. I mean, the throwable stuff is the basic stuff anyways. Alright. Okay, so like so far it's like it's not hard to understand, but I wonder if like an average user, like somebody that just does streaming, like are they going to understand this? It's not hard to understand, to be honest. It's just like a bunch of like logical nodes, right? And once you like, you do have some examples already when you go into interactions, and you can sort of understand like how to build other interactions basically, right? The same way I did it with a top hat, right? Like I did it so like you can do a, where's top hat? Yeah, no, not head pat. Top hat, there we go. So if I do top hat, basically it turns on the top hat for a minute, basically, right? So this was easy for me to figure out. Oh, why is the music so loud? Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. So this was easy for me to figure out because I already had an example of that here. And you can clearly do other stuff as well. I would say that like something like this is like hard to figure out because it's basically like multi-steps. So for channel points to be activated for a certain amount of time, you have to do two things. First, you're doing channel points into call trigger, and then with that trigger, you do like a whole bunch of whatchamacallit, like nodes. Basically, one is making a parameter, another one is doing a set parameter, and another one is for a timer, and then you have like another one which is for like taking the timer name and then saying that like, okay, activate this for this set of time, basically, right? And then there's another set timer which is whenever the value is at 0, it's like, I don't understand this. There is a logic to this, obviously, right? And if I sat down here for like a couple minutes, I'll figure out what each of these does, right? But there is an example of this, so you can use this example for pretty much anything as far as like timer-based stuff goes, right? But that's my, like, it's not really a problem, but more so, like, I wonder, like, for an average user, like, because the way I look at this is this. I always look at it this way. Okay, I make a model for somebody, right? Like, that's my job usually, right? But if this person wants to do some extra stuff with it and make it like, actually, like, sorry, like, I have like extra stuff here, but it's okay, right? Yeah, it's fine. Like, an average user, basically, right? When they're doing this, right? Like, are they actually going to figure it out on their own? But I guess, like, that's not my job, right? That's not my job to figure it out. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I think that this is cool. And there's, like, a lot you can do with this, for sure, right? And everything being done with nodes. Like, this is why I hated, to be honest, Varuto. Because everything was through nodes and I really disliked it. But I guess, like, by doing this in Vyan specifically, I was able to, like, sort of, like, rethink about this, and this is not too bad. It's not too bad in terms of, like, yeah, like, just having all this stuff like that. But again, the only problem that I have is, like, is the person on the, like, receiving end, like, the VTuber themselves, like, if they're not aware of any of this shit, are they actually gonna put in time to figure this shit out? And the answer is, like, unfortunately, no, I feel like. Well, they have to, I guess, though. I mean, people, like, put in time in, like, figuring out 2D VTubing and shit, right? Alright, whatever. Good stuff, though. Like, definitely good stuff. This just gives you, like, more... I do like the idea that it gives you a lot more... It gives you a lot more, like, freedom in doing whatever you want, basically, however you want it. I think that's gonna be it for this stuff for now, though. Let me actually try and stream properly. Let's do this. You go here. Yeah, it's doing this thing again. It's tilting its head so much as well. Like, that's crazy. Let me see, like, maybe there's something with options. Okay, I mean, that works, I guess. I'm not sure if... Sorry, just a moment, okay? Let me adjust this. That looks cute, actually, now. He's still sort of, like, flying up, which I'm not sure, like, how to change that, but... Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I think I'm good with that. It's good options. You see, like, another thing, right? It's like you need to do all these options basically to like get like good results. Okay, she's actually moving now as well. That's pretty good. I like this. That's actually like pretty like natural, I would even say. More or less. Here. I wish I could do something with the fingers itself, though. Oh, you can do arm sway. Wait a second. Oh, wait! That's so cool! Look at this! Her arms are not weird anymore. Okay, I gotta put this on main screen again. Okay, you guys gotta check this out. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Look. Like, there's arm sway, right? Like, this is good. I really like this. So it did take me a little bit to set this up properly, right? But Dash, look at this. Okay, look at this. You're looking at Dragatsuke. Look. I can't actually know it, but it's like... Look at her hands, actually, it's funny. Look at her hands. It's good. This is good. Wait, can we do... What's a Y multiplier? I want them to be like crazy bouncy. How do I do that? Alright, let's just keep it at default, I guess. Reading effect multiplier. I'm not sure what this does. R multiplier. Wee! Oh. My head will hurt after this. Holy. Yeah, that's all good. I like this. Breathing motion. You can link it to heart rate. Interesting. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. Dude, I don't even need like half of the tracking. Like, all I need is just like head tracking just to do like the rest of this stuff. This is pretty good. So basically with expressive body tilt, with breathing motion, and with arm sway, you can sort of like emulate character being a lot more lively and flexible, which is so good. That's very good. Very, very, very good. Oh yeah, you can definitely make the arms go like way farther if you want to. It's too much. And then rotation as well, right? Oh, it's the lift multiplier, this one, right? Yeah, there we go. Oh! Let's do it at 0. Let's zero it out. Yeah, there we go. Because it was weird. Okay, like lift multiplier at 0 makes more sense. Because like if it was at 1 and like my character was like literally flying, that's weird, right? You don't want that. So 0 that shit out. The only thing is like tilt multiplier. It was like in positive before, right? It sort of goes the other way, which is kind of cool as well, to be honest. So you can either do that or you can do the negative, which is like the same side that you're tilting your head. Ooh, okay, that's like a weird. That's a very interesting choice because I have to choose between like this and this. Okay, that motion is way cooler though. Oh no, Dash, which one do I choose? Come look. You will see what I'm talking about. Okay, look. So we have this. You see how she's moving? And then we have this. So the opposite direction, right? Yeah, that looks way better. I'd say this one too. Alright, so that's pretty much the setup. Let me see other stuff. Yeah, we don't need this stuff here. Oh yeah, UI scale is in graphics in case you want to like make it bigger. It was like tiny for me. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, we did set up our camp stuff. Okay, one thing that I have to change real quick. It was in here, right? Yeah. So I don't like the amount that it rotates. So it's like too much rotation. I need to limit it. But that's locomotion, I'm pretty sure, right? Let's go into here. What's the rotation range? Yeah, it's rotation range. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna do rotation range in here, lower. Oh my god, that's such a cute movement, dude. That's crazy. Okay, yeah, I like that. Yeah, so like you have to really set it up like to your liking. Like even like tiny bit of bloom or whatever it is. Yeah, you really have to set it up to your liking. Like that's the issue with this. Yeah, that's about it. We can actually do stuff now. Yeah, that's way better. Yeah, I don't know. It's like way better. The general movement and everything is so much better. Right. Wow, actually back to 3D modeling now.